Get ready, tech fans. We've got a whirlwind of updates hitting Qualcomm Pulse today. First up, Integrity Alliance LLC is making some serious moves, massively boosting their stake in Broadcom Inc. What does this mean for the semiconductor giant? Then, get this, Broadcom Inc. shares are experiencing a huge surge, gapping up significantly in early trading. Is this the moment investors have been waiting for? And hold on to your hats, because we're diving deep into the future of private cloud at VMware Explore 2025, where Hock Tan himself is challenging conventional wisdom. Finally, Broadcom Inc. stock is on the move again, soaring over 10% in a single day. Is this a buy signal you can't afford to miss? Stick around, because you won't want to miss a second of this. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. Integrity Alliance LLC just made a massive bet on Broadcom. This is huge news for anyone watching the semiconductor market. Integrity Alliance LLC has dramatically increased its holdings in Broadcom Inc., acquiring an additional 63,187 shares in the first quarter alone. That's a staggering 914.4% increase, bringing their total stake to 70,097 shares, valued at a whopping $11.7 million. This move signals a strong conviction in Broadcom's future, especially as institutional investors already hold a significant 76.43% of the company's stock. With analysts from Piper Sandler and Bank of America issuing overweight and buy ratings respectively, and a consensus target price of $351.92, this acquisition by Integrity Alliance LLC could be a major indicator of where the market is heading. Investors and analysts are buzzing about this significant capital injection. The market is watching closely to see how this strategic move by Integrity Alliance LLC impacts Broadcom's trajectory in the coming quarters. The question on everyone's mind is, what does this substantial increase in stake by Integrity Alliance LLC signal about their confidence in Broadcom's long-term prospects? But that's not all the market-moving news today. Get ready for a stock surge that's turning heads. Next up, Broadcom Inc. shares are experiencing a dramatic gap up, and we've got all the details. Broadcom stock jumps on major news. Get ready for a significant market movement. Broadcom Inc. shares saw a dramatic surge, gapping up substantially before the trading session began. This isn't just a small bump. The stock opened at $351.52 after closing the previous day at $336.67 and continued to trade higher. This impressive jump comes on the heels of strong quarterly earnings, where Broadcom reported $1.69 earnings per share, beating consensus estimates, and a revenue increase of 22% year-over-year. With a market cap now reaching $1.72 trillion and a solid buy consensus from analysts, this upward momentum is certainly capturing investor attention. The market is reacting positively to Broadcom's financial performance and strategic outlook. Analysts at Cowen and Bank of America have reiterated buy ratings, and with a consensus target price of $351.92, the stock appears poised for continued growth. The recent surge is fueling discussions about whether this is an opportune moment for investors to jump in. While Broadcom continues to make waves, a major tech event is redefining the future of cloud computing. Next, we're heading to VMware Explore 2025 for a deep dive into private cloud innovation. VMware Explore 2025, the future is private cloud, says Hock Tan. Big shifts are happening in the world of cloud infrastructure, and VMware's future is firmly planted in private cloud, according to CEO Hock Tan. At VMware Explore 2025, Tan made a bold statement, asserting that VMware Cloud Foundation, VCF, 9 now outperforms public clouds in cost, security, and control, directly challenging the long-held notion that public cloud is the only way forward. This isn't just about basic functionality. VCF 9 is being positioned as an AI-native platform, complete with private AI services like GPU monitoring and model deployment, all designed to simplify AI adoption while safeguarding data privacy and performance. VMware is also doubling down on security, integrating new capabilities across its suite and ensuring deep integration with hardware ecosystems like NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs and AMD's ROCm AI stack. The tech community is abuzz with the implications of VMware's strategic pivot. While attendance numbers at Explore 2025 may have been smaller than in previous years, the core message from VMware is clear. The future of enterprise computing is a secure, powerful, and cost-effective private cloud. The debate about the future of the Explore event itself continues, but the company's commitment to VCF9 as its flagship private cloud platform is undeniable, especially with its enhanced AI and security features. From the future of cloud infrastructure, we're shifting back to the dynamic world of semiconductor stocks. Get ready for another explosive move in Broadcom Inc.'s stock price. Broadcom stock surges over 10%. Is it a buy? Hold on to your hats, investors. Broadcom Inc. shares have experienced a remarkable surge, rocketing up 10.6% in a single trading day. The stock hit a high of $370.47, showing incredible momentum. This significant climb follows a strong quarterly earnings report where Broadcom exceeded expectations with $1.69 EPS and a 22% year-over-year revenue increase. With a market cap of $1.72 trillion and a strong buy consensus from analysts, this latest price action has sparked intense debate about whether it's time to invest. Market watchers are dissecting this latest rally, with analysts from HSBC Global Research and KeyCorp issuing strong buy ratings and increasing their price targets. The stock's upward trajectory, combined with its solid financial performance and analyst backing, makes it a hot topic for investors looking for significant gains. The question on everyone's mind: can Broadcom maintain this impressive momentum? That's all the top stories for today on Qualcomm Pulse, but don't go anywhere yet. We've got a rapid-fire recap coming up next. And that's a wrap on today's top tech and finance news. Integrity Alliance LLC made a massive move on Broadcom Inc. Shares surged on strong earnings. VMware is betting big on private cloud with VCF9, and Broadcom Inc. Stock saw another massive 10.6% jump. Don't miss out on any of the action. Smash that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for all the latest updates, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. You can also follow us on all our social media channels for real-time news and analysis. We'll see you in the next one.